The reading speed of 6th grade students is approximately normal, with a mean speed of 125 words per minute and a standard deviation of 24 words per minute. What is the probability that a randomly selected 6th grade student reads less than 100 words per minute? So what we have to do, we have to figure out the probability associated with that number. So what I like to start off with is just trying to figure out the inequality version. So for us, x is the idea of words per minute. Right, that's our random variable, how fast they can read, how many words they can read per minute. And then we're looking for less than 100. So anytime it's less than 100, that means we're going to the left of this idea. So we have our normal curve, we have the average, 125, here's 100. We need everything less than, so that would be all this information. So all we have to do is plug it into the calculator. To plug it into the calculator, we do exactly what we've been doing for the past 4 problems. We'll do second vars, normal CDF, big negative number, so -1e99. Our upper bound number is where we're stopping, so 100. Our average, which is 125. And then our standard deviation, 24. We hit enter, and that's the probability that a randomly selected student will read less than 100 words per minute. For A, it's 0.149. 149. That's it. B, what is the probability that a randomly selected 6th grade student reads more than 140 words per minute? So again, we have the curve. Right. Here's your average, 125. Here's 140. And we need more than 140 words per minute. So that means everything to the right. Everything to the right. So if we're going to the right, we have to shift our upper bound and lower bound numbers. That's the only thing we have to change. So we go to our calculator, second vars, CDF. So we're shifting. So we're going to start at our number, our random variable. So 140. That's where we're going to start. Our upper bound number will be a gigantic number, so 1e99. Our average, 125. And our standard deviation. There's the probability that a student reads more than 140 words per minute. So for B, the answer is 0.266. What is the probability that a randomly selected 6th grade student reads between 110 and 130 words per minute? So here we have the upper bound and lower bound numbers, so we don't have to use that 1e to the 99 or the -1e to the 99. We have the starting and stopping point. Normal curve, 125 is the middle. We're looking for everything in between 110 and 130. So we're looking for those values. So if we're looking for everything in between 110 and 130, 110 will be our lower bound number, 130 will be our upper bound number. So we go to the calculator. $110, $130, $125, $24, enter. There's your probability. So the probability that a student reads between 110 and 130 words per minute is 0.317. I will let you figure out D, and that concludes this chapter.